If you're ready to upgrade your workspace, this right here is the 6-outlet heavy-duty metal power strip designed for reliable power, safety, and convenience. It's going to be perfect for homes, garages, workshops, offices, and more. So this right here has been sent to me free of charge for this review. And with 6 individually controlled outlets plus a master power switch, you can easily turn devices on or off without unplugging them. The extra 1.77-inch wide space outlets are perfect for bulky adapters and oversized plugs. Built with a rugged aluminum alloy housing, this power strip is made to handle demanding environments, and the 6-foot heavy-duty 14 AWG power cord supports up to 15 amps for dependable performance. It's also going to protect your electronics with 1200 joules of surge protection and a built-in 15 amp circuit breaker that helps guard against overloads, spikes, and outages. Installation is quick and flexible with 3 mounting options: built-in wall mounting slots, adhesive mounting bracket with 3M tape, or secure it with the screw-mounted bracket. So don't settle for ordinary power strips. Choose a heavy-duty solution built for performance, protection, and everyday convenience.